Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about grade 7 science electric current and its effects lesson. In last class we have discussed up to heating effect and electric fuse also we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic effects of electric current. What is the topic? Magnetic effect of electric current. Last class we have discussed heating effect of electric current. See here, what is mean by magnetic effect of electric current? Each and every day, as we know, in our daily life we have used electric fan and electric bell, electric motor and telephone also we have used. Okay students, how does they work? Electric fan and electric bell, telephone, how does work? Any idea? Do you know? These devices are working by magnetic effect of electric current. These electrical devices, what are the electrical devices? Fan and electric bell and also electric fan or motor. These electrical devices, these devices are working at magnetic effect of electric current. Working is based working on magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, see here, what is mean by magnetic effect of electric current? Magnetic effect of electric current. Let us consider the one conductor. Let us consider the one conductor. Example, wire. I ask question, what is mean by magnetic effect of electric current? See here, let us consider the one conductor. Okay, let us consider the one electrical conductor, that is called the wire. Wire is a very good electrical conducting material. See here, we apply the current, this electrical conductivity, we apply the current in the wire. We apply the current this wire. This wire produce a magnetic field. This wire produce a magnetic field. Am I correct? This wire, whenever we apply whenever we pass the current we pass the current one conducting material, what happened? The conducting material to produce a magnetic field. To produce a magnetic field. To produce a magnetic field. Here, this wire behaves like a magnet. This wire behaves like a magnet. So, this effect is called a magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand students? Let us consider the one electrical conducting, let us consider the one conducting material, any one conducting material, wire or nail, any iron substances. This is a conducting material. We apply the current on the material. We apply the current on the conducting material. What happened? Whenever we pass the current in conducting material, the material produce the conducting material produce a magnetic field. At the time, the conducting wire, at the time, this material behaves like a magnet. The conducting material behaves like a magnet. This effect is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand? Each and every day we use the electrical appliances though. Fan also this type of working. Okay, fan working this method and electric bell working this method. Magnetic effect of electric current. Whenever we apply a current on the conducting material, the conducting material behaves like a magnet. The conducting material to produce a magnetic field. Okay, this experiment first noticed by Ørsted scientist. Ørsted scientist, the magnetic effect of electric current, first noticed that Ørsted scientist. Ørsted scientist. Okay, this magnetic effect of electric current first noticed the Ørsted scientist. Ørsted first the electrical conducting property noticed that, okay, the electrical conductivity, we make a electric circuit. First Ørsted scientist, he make a electric circuit. At the time, magnetic compass placed the electric circuit. The magnetic needle deflection. So, the electric circuit produce a magnetic field. The Ørsted scientist noticed that point. So, what is meant by magnetic effect of electric current? Are you understand or not? See here. What is meant by magnetic effect of electric current, which is nothing but, let us consider the one magnetic, see here, we make a electric circuit. Okay, how will identify Ørsted scientist the electric circuit produce a magnetic field? Say one experiment. Okay, that only we have discussed. This is the first we make a electric circuit. What are the electric circuit contains a 4 parts. Am I correct? This is cell, plus, minus, this is conducting material, wire, this is switch, this is wire. This is the electrical circuit. Okay, this is wire, this is cell, positive terminal, negative terminal, this is switch. Okay, this is electric circuit. See here, the electric circuit, whenever this is the off position, the electric circuit present in off position. So, no current pass in the electric circuit. Now, the switch is on position. Now, the switch is on position. See here, in this electric circuit, the current flow in the circuit. The current flow in the circuit. Are you understand? This is the electric circuit. Okay, the electric circuit contains a battery, switch, wire, and we put as per which we put the bulb also, electric circuit. Okay, this is the basic components, battery, switch and wire. This is the basic concept. Okay, ma? See here, this is the electric circuit now on position. Now on position. We kept the magnetic needle. We kept the near the magnetic compass the electric circuit. See here, this is the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass north, south, east, west. This is the magnetic compass. Okay. Okay. This is the magnetic compass. Okay, see here, we apply the current in this circuit. Okay, we apply the current in this circuit. What happened? We kept the magnetic needle near the electric circuit. What happened? The magnetic needle reflected from north position to south position. Okay, deflection from north position to south position. See here, the magnetic needle deflection another one direction from north to south position. Okay, let us consider the one electric circuit. We kept the magnetic needle, we kept the magnetic compass near the electric circuit. What happened? The magnetic needle deflection from north position to south position. Okay, always the magnet needle north to south position. Okay, whenever we freely whenever we apply the the north, that means magnet any direction, which direction show to the magnet? Yeah, always north position and south position. Are you understand? The magnetic compass show always time north position and south position, freely suspended. Okay, see here, magnetic, the electric circuit, whenever we apply the electric circuit, whenever we apply the current on electric circuit, that this is the electric circuit is present, that what happened? The electric circuit present, that is the on position here. Now here the electric circuit on position, we kept the magnetic needle near the electric circuit. What happened? The magnetic needle is deflected. So the electric circuit produce a magnetic field. The electric circuit produce a magnetic field. Are you understand? This is called the magnetic effects of electric current. The magnetic field, how does magnetic field produce? The electric current, to use electric current, the electric current only produce a magnetic field. That only we will see discuss. Are you understand? So this experiment, first notice that arrested scientist. So what is mean by magnetic effects of electric current? Simply we can say, which is nothing but when a coil of wire carrying current, produce a magnetic field around it, and it behaves like a magnet. Okay, see here, just one magnet kept in the freely in table. Which position show the magnet? Always the magnet show the position north and south position. Am I correct? We kept the electric circuit. The electric circuit, whenever the electric circuit on position means we kept near the magnetic compass deflection from north to south position from deflection. Am I correct? This is called so the electric circuit produce a magnetic field. The electric current produce a magnetic field. Am I correct? This is the magnetic effect. What is mean by magnetic effect? Which is nothing but a coil of wire carrying current produce a magnetic field around it and behaves like a magnet. Magnet. Already we have discussed, this is the conducting material. A wire is the good conducting material. This is wire is the good conducting material. We apply a current in the wire. The wire produce a magnetic field. North position to south position. The wire behaves a magnet. The wire behaves like a magnet. This effect is called the magnetic effect of electric current. That's all. Are you understand? Okay. This electric and magnetism is called the electric current, and magnetism is called the electromagnetism. That only we will discuss. Are you understand or not? That only magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, what is mean by electromagnet? This is the magnetic effect of electric current. Wire behaves like a magnet. This is called the electromagnet. Okay, how does electromagnet made? Next question, how does electromagnet made? Before we discuss about magnetic effect, what is mean by magnetic effect? Which is nothing but a coil of wire carrying a current. A coil of wire carrying a current produce a magnetic field around it and behaves like a magnet. That is called the magnetic effect. Am I correct? Are you understand? Okay. Next question. What is mean by electromagnet? What is mean by electromagnet? How does a electromagnet made? Electric current present, that only we make a electromagnet. Electric current is a very important electromagnetic effect of electric current. Your answer is present in question. What is mean by magnetic effect of electric current? We know we need electric current. At that time only we make a electromagnet. Okay, how does electromagnet made? Let us consider the any magnetic substance or let us consider the any magnetic substance. Example, we take iron nail. Okay, we take iron nail. How does electromagnet made? Electromagnet. Okay, already we told wire behaves like a magnet. Am I correct? How? Okay, see here. Let us consider the iron nail. A coil of wire around the nail. How does electromagnet made? This is the battery. This is switch. Here on position. You know very well. This is on position. This is off position. Are you understand? Okay. Now here the switch is on position. The switch is on position. Here, what is our question? How does made electromagnet? Okay, the all electrical appliances are made magnetic effect of electric current. No, we need magnetic effect of electric current means we make a electromagnet. We make a electromagnet. Okay, the electromagnet is very important for that electrical appliances. What is that electrical appliances? Fan, electric bell, electric motor, and another one. Many electrical appliances are based working on the magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current is what are the most important? Electromagnet. So we prepare a electromagnet. How does make a electromagnet? That only we discussed. Okay, see here, let us consider the iron nail. Like the magnetic substance, or let us this is the iron nail. Iron nail wounded a wire, coil of wire. That is a electromagnet. Okay, iron. Let us consider the iron nail. A wire wounded in the iron nail. Okay, a coil of wire wounded in the nail. One end is the wire, one end is connected the cell battery plus another one is connected to the switch. The switch is another one is connected to the iron nail. Okay, the two wires are the two ends are there. Okay, the iron nail wounded a wire around the iron nail around the wire. Are you understand? A coil of wire wounded the iron nail. Anyone take? Okay, a coil of wire wounded around the nail. The one wire, one end is connected to the battery, another one is connected to the switch. Okay, here this is on position. Are you understand? Okay, see here, many iron particles is there. Small iron nails is there. Small iron nails is there. Okay, see here. First, this is off position. This is off position. We apply the current on the iron nail. This is off position. No current flows that circuit. Are you understand? Let us consider the one battery, one switch, one iron nail. This is the one circuit, electric circuit. Okay, see here. Then iron nails are kept in the nearly the small iron nails are kept nearly the iron nail, big iron nail. Are you understand? See here, this circuit is now off position. No reaction is there. No current flows that circuit, so no reaction is there. Now we apply the current. That means the switch is on position. The switch is on position. The current flows in the circuit. The current flows in the circuit. What happened? The electric current iron nails to make a electromagnet. Okay, here the wire like as a magnet. Already we have discussed it. See here the iron nail behaves like a magnet. So the attract the other nails. Attract the another iron nails. Why means the iron nail behaves like a magnet. The iron nail behaves like a magnet. Are you understand? Why means the electric current passes through the circuit. The conducting material behaves like a magnet. That is called the electromagnet. This type only to form a electromagnet. This is the electric circuit. This is the iron nail. We apply the electric current in this circuit. The electric circuit, we apply the current in this circuit. Here the iron nail behaves like a electromagnet. So attract the another iron nails. Attract the another iron nails. So the iron nails behaves like a electromagnet. Are you understand? Okay, what is mean by electromagnet? Electromagnet, which is nothing but a coil of wire. What is mean by electromagnet? A coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of magnetic substance. Wound around a coil of wire wound around a magnetic substance. Iron nail is the magnetic substance. What happened? Piece of magnetic substance such as iron. That is called the electromagnet. What is mean by electromagnet? Which is nothing but a coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of magnetic substance. A coil of wire. That is called the electromagnet. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand? Magnetic electromagnet are present at the time only magnetic effect of electric current produced. Am I correct? What is meant by magnetic effect? A coil of wire carrying current produce a magnetic field around it and it behaves like a magnet. That is called the electromagnet. Same. Magnetic effect and electromagnet also same. Are you understand? What is meant by magnetic electric current? A coil of wire carrying a current produce a magnetic field around it. At the time only another iron nails attract the iron nail. Magnetic substance. It behaves like a magnet. Are you understand? See here. Now we make a electromagnet. How does make a electromagnet? Let us consider the one magnetic substance. Let us example we like iron nail. Iron is the nature of the core material, very strong magnetic material. So we consider the iron nail. Then we connect the wire, battery, switch. That's all. That is the electromagnet. Iron nail is connected. Iron nail wounded the wire around the iron nail. A wire wounded around the nail. Then we apply the current on the nail. What happened? The iron nails are magnetized. The iron nails are magnetized. Then current flows the circuit. The current, whenever we apply the current on the circuit, the iron nails are magnetized. Am I correct? That is called now the iron nails are electromagnet. Okay, the iron nails attract the another iron materials or another magnetic materials. Okay, this is called the electromagnet. Whenever the switch on the circuit, switch off the circuit, the iron nail demagnetized, loses the electromagnetism, loses the magnetic property. Whenever the circuit is off position, the iron nail loses the electromagnet. Are you understand? With the electric current present only, the iron nails are get magnetized. The electric current does not flow in the circuit means the iron nail does not electromagnetism. Are you understand? Okay. So next topic, strength of an electromagnet depends on the following factors. Strength of electromagnet means very high electromagnets. What are the factors are present in the electromagnet? We need very high electromagnet. That is the strength. We need very high electromagnet. Very high electromagnet is present means it is used many applications, very heavy applications. Are you understand? We need strength electromagnet means what are the factors are present, what are the factors are need. Are you understand? See here, first one, nature of core material. What is the nature of core material? We take any one material. We prefer iron material is the best core material. Okay, first one, nature of core material. Okay, iron is the best magnetic material. Are you understand? What is the second point? Number of turns of the wire. What is the number of turns of the wire? See here, already we have discussed number of turns means this is number of turns this wire. This is the number of turns the wire. Many number of turns of wire present means strong magnetic field. Already we have taken one iron nail, no? The coil of wire surrounded, many number of wires surrounded, wound around the nail, many number of wires. It's tightly. This is a strong electromagnetism. Are you understand? This is the number of turns of wire. More turns wire, more electromagnetism. More turns wire means this is like that. This is a strong electromagnetism. Am I correct? This is that point. Number of turns of the wire, more turns wire, more electromagnetism. That's the point. Number of turns of the wire. And that time only we get strong electromagnetism. Then third point, magnitude of current. We apply a current, high current means we apply a current greater than means we get high level magnetism, we get high electromagnetism. Okay, we apply a current on the circuit 5 volt or 10 volt, we get strong electromagnetism. We apply a current less means we get a less magnetism. That is the magnitude of current. That is the magnitude of current. Greater the current, strong electromagnetism. Greater the current, strong electromagnetism. These three following factors are, we get a strong electromagnetism. We need strong electromagnetism means the three factors are very important. What are the three factors? Nature of the core, nature of core material, and number of turns of the wire, and another one is the magnitude of current. The three factors are very important. We need strong electromagnetism means the three factors are very important. Are you understand, students? Okay, next, what are the uses of electromagnet? What are the uses of electromagnetism? First one, magnetic grains. Do you know magnetic grains? It's a high vehicle, no? Magnetic grains lift the anything. Lift a car, lift the more vehicles, no? That is a magnetic grains. Also used the electromagnetism to lift heavy loads. Okay, then magnetic leviation. Magnetic train also used the electromagnetism. Next, electric bell also used the electromagnetism. This is the uses of electromagnetism. Where and all uses the electromagnetism? Magnetic grains, magnetic leviation, and electric bell, and many uses are there. Here only we have say only three uses of electromagnetism. Are you understand? This is the strength of an electromagnet, and this is the uses of electromagnetism. Now we are going to discuss about electric bell. Okay, the electric bell is working on the principle of electromagnetism, magnetic effect of electric current. See students, next topic, electric bell. Previous topic, uses of electric bell. What are the uses of electric bell? Magnetic grains, magnetic leviation, and another one is the electric bell. That only we will discuss. Electric bell. This is the electric bell diagram. This is the electromagnet. Electric bell. Electromagnet has an electric magnet. This is the electromagnet. This is the electric bell diagram. See here, this is the electric bell diagram. What are the parts? Main part. What is the main part of electric bell? Electromagnet. So, electromagnet has an present in electric cell. Electromagnet has an present in electric cell. Just nothing, don't confuse. Electromagnet present in electric cell. And electric cell working on magnetic effect of electric current. Electric cell working on magnetic effect of electric current. Am I correct? We have discussed now magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Electric bell works on magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand? Okay, see here. Now we are going to discuss about electric bell. And electromagnet are present in electric bell. Are you understand? That only we discuss. Okay, see here. This is the electric What are the parts are present in electric bell diagram? In our home, in all homes, okay, present in electric bell. We are used in many homes, all the homes are used in electric bell. Am I correct? It's a very, very important in all our home, no? We come to another one house. First, switch on electric bell, calling bell or calling bell. Ring. That is the electric bell, no? Okay. How does work on electric bell? It is used on electromagnet, magnetic effect of electric current. Electric bell is working on magnetic effect of electric current. Already we have discussed magnetic effect of electric current, no? When a current carrying wire behaves as a magnet, this is called the magnetic effect of electric current. When a current carrying wire, that is very, very important. When a current carrying wire behaves like a magnet, that is called the magnetic effect of electric current. The electric bell working this principle, magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand? Okay. See here, this is the electric bell circuit. What are the parts are present in electric cell circuit? See here, first one is the very, very important battery, and another one is the switch, and another one is the U-shaped electromagnet. U-shaped electromagnet. This is the U-shaped iron. Then the wires are wounded around the iron piece, U-shaped iron piece. So this is called the U-shaped electromagnet. Okay, a coil of wire wounded around the iron piece. So this is called the U-shaped electromagnet. Okay, then this is the metal spring. Then this is the armature, soft iron armature. This part is the soft iron armature. Then this is the contact screw. This is the hammer. Ring, 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 ring. No, this is the hammer. This is the silver metallic plate or silver hung. This is the hung. That only produce the sound. Ring. This is that only the hung only produce the sound. Okay. The electric bell contains these parts. What are the parts are contains the electric bell? What and all present in the electric bell? Battery, switch, U-shaped electromagnet, armature, soft iron armature, contact screw, hammer, hung. That's all. It's a very, very simple. It's a very, very important one also. Okay. Which principle working on electric bell? Magnetic effect of electric current. Are you understand? Okay. See here. Battery is connected one end. Switch is the connected one end. U-shaped electromagnet. U-shaped electromagnet is connected to the contact screw. Okay, the contact screw connected to the soft metal strip, and the armature is connected to the metal. Another wire, battery, another wire. The battery is connected soft iron armature, and another one is connected to the switch. Okay, ma? It's a very, very simple connection. That only this is a battery. Battery is connected one end soft iron armature. Another one is connected switch. The switch is connected to the U-shaped magnet. The U-shaped magnet is connected to the contact screw. The contact screw connected to the metal spring. The connected soft iron armature. That's all. Are you understand? These and all parts of the electric bell. This is the hammer. This is the hung. Okay. How does work a electric bell? Okay. See here. Battery provides a charge. Battery provides a current. Okay, ma? Okay. This is the switch. Whenever we apply the current, whenever we press the switch, at the time only the current switch, the current pass through the electromagnet. Okay, the current pass through the electromagnet. The U-shaped electromagnet gets the magnetization. Get the magnetization. Whenever we apply the current in the U-shaped electromagnet, the U-shaped electromagnet gets the magnetization. What happened? To attract the other ion particles. To attract the other ion particles. Okay, see here, the contact screw is attached to the soft metal spring. Okay, whenever we press the switch means the current flows through a U-shaped electromagnet. At that time, the electromagnet pulls the armature. So the hammer is going to touch the horn. Then the contact screw release the metal spring. Are you understand metal spring? The armature is going towards the electromagnet. At that time, the hammer is going to touch the horn. The hammer is going to strike the horn. The bell has ring. Are you understand? This is the working of electric bell. Are you understand or not? No, which is nothing but this is battery. Battery provides a current. Whenever we press the switch, the electric current produces a electromagnet. The electric current pass through the electromagnet. At that time, the electromagnet get magnetized. Okay, it comes the attractive power. Are you understand? Already how does the electromagnet know? We apply the current on the iron nail, it gets the magnetization. The iron nail attracts the another iron nails. So that process is here. Okay. The U-shaped electromagnet gets a magnetization. The magnet attract the armature. So the contact screw release the armature. The hammer strikes the horn. So the bell gets ring. Are you understand? This is the working of electric bell. That's all, nothing. Okay, see here, working. Switch is pressed. What happened? Current starts flowing through the circuit to the electromagnet. Current starts flowing through the circuit to the electromagnet. This is the electromagnet, no? Okay, what happened next? Electromagnet attract the soft iron strip. Are you understand? Soft iron strip and moves away from the screw. Okay, away from the screw. Okay, then the hammer to strike the horn. Then sounds are produced. Are you understand? From this screw, the hammer to strike the horn, ringing the sound. That's all. This is the working of electric bell. That is enough. Okay, are you understand? This is the working of electric bell. This is a very, very important 5-mark question. Very easiest question also. Are you understand? The electric bell is working on magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, that is a very, very important point. Okay, electromagnet is present in electric bell. What is present inside the electric bell? Electromagnet are present inside the electric bell. It's working on effect of magnetic effect of electric current. This is the electric bell circuit diagram. That's all. So very one. U-shaped electromagnet, switch, battery, soft iron strip, armature. The armature is the very important. The contact screw is the very important. Okay. Whenever we switch on the current, whenever we press the switch means the current through the circuit, the current pass the electromagnet. The electromagnet gets magnetization, pulls then the armature pulls the electromagnet pulls the armature. At the time the contact screw relieve from the armature, relieve from the metal soft iron strip. So then the armature, the hammer is going to strike the horn. Then the ring the sound. Are you understand? Okay. Now the switch is off position. The U-shaped magnet lost the magnetization. Then the contact switch come to close position. The hammer to going to hold position. The bell has not rang. Okay, va? Are you understand? Whenever we pass the current means at that time only the electromagnetism is magnetized. Whenever we switch off the current means the U-shaped magnet lost the electromagnetism. That's all. Okay, va? It's going to hold position. The contact screw touch the metal strip and the hammer also away from the horn. Are you understand? Okay, this is the working of electric bell. What is the working? Switch is pressed. Current starts flowing through the circuit to the electromagnet. This is the electromagnet. Are you understand? What happens? Electromagnet attract the soft iron strip. And moves away from the screw. Screw is the thalli vandiruchu. Appo enna pannom? See here, the hammer is going to strike the horn, ringing the sound. That's all. Are you understand? Okay. Today, what and all we have discussed? Magnetic effect of electric current. What is magnetic effect of electric current? What is mean by electromagnet? How does made electromagnet? What are the uses of electromagnet? And we need strong electromagnetism means what are the factors are present, then working of electric bell. That's all. Okay students, thank you. I will give worksheet, do in your home. Okay students, thank you.